of Adventures of Penny Pink with Gypsy. As you can see, we have the first snow of the year at Pebble Creek Ski Area. It's not even the end of September. Hopefully this is a great ski year. Meanwhile, let's go get Gypsy ready. We talked about in the last episode trying to come up with a bed that's big enough for my big man, who is JV is 6'5". I used to be 5'10".
That's why the camera's up here.
And we're going to go through, we finally figured out how to put in a bed in a small trailer big enough for tall people. Let's go see how we do it. Hi. Okay, welcome to Gypsy.
Let's go inside here. Whoa, lock it. Yep.
Yep, we're going to open the door. We discovered that a step stool is a great ADA handle for getting into the trailer.
Like any of us need that, right? I always use it. Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh. I won't fit through the door, guys. My hat fell off. Retake. Okay, we're back. My hat fell off when I tried to go inside, so I'm going to go inside again. Here we go.
Yep. The tall guy hits his head coming through the door every time.
Okay.
Okay, so here's what we've got going on at Gypsy. So we've got a nice couch here in the front of the trailer. We're going to turn this into a bed that's big enough for tall people. All right, so we have our little folding table here, which is cleverly aluminum to match the trailer. That tucks right in here behind our nice little electric fireplace.
When you're plugged in.
Yes, when you've got shore power. So we have these nice big pillows. I'm going to show you how these serve dual functions in just a minute. So we're going to move our throw pillows. We've got a nice little spot to tuck in our personal pillows back in the back. You'll notice that the couch is just a little bit higher than the other one, and that I've got this nice fuzzy cover on it. We have dogs. The dogs think the couches are wonderful, so we have a tendency to put throws on the couches to protect them from the dogs. They're also furry and wonderful, and it also covers up the edge of the memory foam mattress that I have tucked in under the cushions. So we're going to pull that out, and we're going to stash all of this over here on top of JV. Now, on top of the other couch. So those of you that are familiar with Airstreams know that these couches pull out, and the cushions all fold flat. We've also discovered we've got a little leak up here at one of the windows. So that'll be another YouTube video on how to get that fixed. Okay, so this is what a normal Airstream bed looks like. It's 48 inches wide. And although we have like 80 inches wall to wall, there's all kinds of stuff in the way to get hung up under the shelf, the armrests for the couch, curtain rods. We tried 5 different ways to make this work for us, and it wasn't working. So here's what we came up with. JV, I'm going to swing dance with you.
Okay.
Here we go. We love to dance.
Look out! Ah!
So tucked in this closet, we have
whiskey barrel.
Full size.
Oh no, no whiskey barrel.
Extra long air mattress. Tucked in this closet while I'm over here.
Oh, look, guys, mirror. You know, I always say take pictures of you in the mirror. Oh, hey, look, there he is. Open the mirror. Ah, okay.
We have this nice little folding bench, which conveniently has a little handle on it. So I'm going to try to swing dance back around JV with all my parts. Okay, so bench can be used as a nice little bench outside if we wanted to, or as luck would have it, it is just exactly the right height to go between the bed and the edge of the door. So we tried to put a queen size air mattress in here. Not so good. It was super comfortable, but it came out halfway in front of the door.
Yeah, it looked silly too. You open the door up, you see it sticking out. It's like, what the heck's going on here?
It just, like, the queen mattress was awesome, but not practical. You know, you couldn't really negotiate to get around the Airstream, in and out of the door. The dogs looked at us like we were crazy, which is kind of fun. But
They always look at us like we're crazy.
yeah, that's par for the course. So, the trick with this we've discovered is to blow up the air mattress when you have shore power. Yeah, as much fun as it is to watch JV doing it with a K-pump for my raft. Speaking of raft, you'll notice this big box. This is my kitchen box with all my pots and pans and dishes from my Whitewater River raft.
NRS. See guys, this is rafting and camping all in one.
So I decided,
Use that for a raft. Blow it up.
why build two kitchens? And it doubles as a coffee table. So it's now the NRS coffee table.
So we're going to take this trailer later. Now we made it. Yay! Okay, now.
All right, so that took about 3 minutes or so. So our little bench is all tucked in. Got our NRS box in the center, which doubles as a step stool for a little bit of comfort.
Yeah, it sucks to lay on
the
plastic.
1.5 inch memory foam topper. What were you going to say, JV?
I said it sucks to sleep on plastic. Well, these do have a cover on them, but it's better to put something else over it so you're not feel like you're sleeping on a waterbed with air.
Yeah, so you'll notice that I found a big zipper cover to go on the memory foam mattress. Got that off of Amazon. Got the Sable air mattress. Show you this. Sable. Got that on Amazon. Nice little cover, so that'll all fold up, fit up in the timbers. Got our memory foam on here, so it's more comfy. Try to get that a little bit more towards the back. And then we have these nice big pillows. They look like pillows, don't they? Cool thing is, they're actually pillow covers that are used to store the comforters that go on the bed. So we have one for the bottom and then one for the top. So the trick on these is fold it in thirds and then fold it in thirds the other way, and you can fit a full-size down comforter or fiberfill into these nice little covers. And then for a little bit of extra cush, so it's like sleeping on a giant cloud, we have another topper. It goes on there. Ah! Hit my head. Like I said,
Airstreams are too
tall people. We have our nice super deluxe pillows for sleeping. Because you want to be comfortable when you're camping in your Airstream, right?
Nah, I prefer a board bed.
And then we've got our other feather comforter. You just want to be careful when you're pulling them out that you don't rip out the corners. And you can see how handy the NRS box is. So we've got lots of storage for all of our kitchen stuff. Use it as a coffee table. Extra seat for friends. Sat out here with friends yesterday having cocktails. This makes a great seat. You can lean right up against the air mattress just like it's another couch. I also timed how long it took to break all of this down and get everything tucked in. First time, not super efficient at doing it. I still got it done in just under a half an hour.
But if you're river running, that's about the time setting up a tent.
Yeah, I mean, if you're setting up a tent, camping, you know, and if you do all of this before you leave on a trip, man, it's all set up. It's good to do. You just climb in and go to sleep. Okay. So we've got the cloud.
There you go.
And even JV doesn't bump into the cabinet over here.
I know what she's talking about.
He's got room for his
I was sleeping
shoulders.
underneath the shelf.
Okay, sometimes I wedge him under here, but
So it's a lot more room. And then right here's the door. See, it's right there at the door. And there's the bench. There's the step stool NRS. There's the covers. And there's the rest of it. And that's it. Yay.
hang on, one more thing.
Oh, one more thing.
Then you can take your little covers.
And put them up as flags. No? No.
You could do that, but what I like to do is just use them as little decorative throws on the other couch. These also came off Amazon. We'll have links for all of the products we use to do this project at the bottom. So make sure you like our channel, subscribe. We don't have any affiliated links yet, so this is all just there to help you out. If you're tall and you need more room, or you just want someplace more comfortable to sleep in your Airstream, and you want an air mattress that works in your Airstream.
Yep. There you go, guys and gals. Sorry.
Thanks so much. We'll see you again next time.
See you guys.